Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one best website. I already shared this website, but I tell you the trick. You can earn much more from that website. Okay, let's first I calculate how much you can earn every day with that trick. If you have a lot of Gmail account in your Google Chrome, you can make much more, but I have one trick to refer yourself and earn with yourself. Okay, not with other people on other referral link. You didn't need anyone, and you can refer yourself and you can earn much more cryptocurrency with your own self. Okay, and now I open the calculator to calculate how much I can earn. Every 1 hour I earn this much Satoshi. Not 1 hour, it's maybe 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes I earn this much Satoshi, and I have 50 account for claim this much Satoshi. Every 1 day I can earn, and you can multiply with 30 days. You can earn this much Satoshi instantly and with the easy way. Okay, today I'm going to share my best trick, but using this trick is very hard. Just stay at the end and watch all video. For starting the trick, the account name is Faucet Crypto. The Faucet Crypto is one of the best account. You can refer yourself, but not too much. Every day, every account have one referral link, and you can refer yourself more than one. Okay, I tell you the trick. You can make more than one referral. Okay. First of all, you come here, register, link in description, and they pay you on Faucet Pay or direct to your wallet address. Any wallet you can use, like dogecoin wallet or any currency wallet like Coinbase, blockchain. Any wallet you use, they can pay you instantly. Now I go to my referral link. I have two referral. This two referral is my self profile, not anyone. I can earn this both two, and they pay me 20% of any of my referral link. Then I claim this all, and they pay me much more Satoshi. Okay. This website, the wonderful thing is you can claim every 1 hour, every 40 minutes. The claim is ready. You can claim, and they pay you some Satoshis, or you can watch the short links, visit the short links, and they pay you some Satoshis from visiting the short links. And you can use achievement every time you achieve your level. If level up, they achieve you. Okay, and now my level is 60, and this much bonus I get every time I withdraw my funds. And other thing is PTC ads. So you can watch PTC ads, and you can earn much more from this all. Okay, I tell you the trick. Okay, now you can see down of my computer I have a lot of Gmail account to I link to all accounts, and I can refer myself. This is all Gmail account I have. Okay, this is for this computer. I have another computer. I have 3 computer. I claim with that 3 computer. Every computer have 25 Gmail account, and I can claim just 50 of that, and I didn't have too much time try making videos for you all. Okay, first of all I tell you how to refer yourself. Okay, go to referral link, if you come here, register yourself. Registration is very easy. I told you this video full step the past days, and this time I decided to share with you a trick and you can use. This is your file link. Copy your link, go to one of your Gmail account, okay, make a new tab. My internet is very slow and my computer is very slow because I am already fauceting a lot of Gmail accounts. About that, my computer is a little bit slow. I paste the link in here at the top and click and open the website. Okay, this is the website. You refer yourself, okay, not from any other referral link. Just for one time you can use my referral link, or you can type Faucet Crypto. If you don't want to use my referral link, you can just type use Faucet Crypto and you can come here, click get start. Show you another page and you can fill that information and you can make an account. Okay, okay, now this one show me the all registration. Click the username. Just you type username, any username you want. Your email address, I don't know my email address. This is a fastdan01 at gmail.com. I have a lot of Gmail account. I didn't remember this Gmails, and you can just paste your type your password and confirm password and click register. Sometimes they didn't register you because they told you this IP address of another referral link, and you can use another trick for this, and you can come every 24 hours and you can create an account in here. Okay, I click register. Now I see what this page told me. Okay, this one told me your account has been successfully created. They create me an account and I click this key button to save my account. This is my name, username. Okay, click save and they save your account, and this is your account. Now it's log out because they told you to verify your email, and go to your Gmail account. Sorry about my computer and my internet connection is very slow today because today I have hard work. I working with a Rebel mining website, and I share that website with you. For that Rebel mining website, I have hundreds or thousands Gmail account, and I can earn much more. I can share with you that Rebel mining website too. Okay, first I'm waiting to open my Gmail account. Okay, in here promotion, I have one email. This is a Faucet Crypto. Click it and verify yourself and you can earn much more. Okay, now you can see they send me an email, and click verify email. Just wait a little bit and then you can this website verify your email, and you can start you can make start earning. And this one told you access successfully verified, and now I can start earning. Okay, this much claim I have, but I told you one thing about this website Faucet Crypto. The website allow you one time just use one of these all. Okay, if you use both, they didn't pay you. Just use this one If you finish the all, just close this page and you can refresh this page and you can start with this. Okay, and every time just doing like that, because the Faucet Crypto didn't allow you to use multiple faucet in a time. Okay, now you can see my referral. I refresh to, you can see I have 3 referral and I referral myself, and I can earn much more. If this website didn't allow you to referral much more than 3 or 4 or 5 time, you can use another of this Faucet Crypto. Okay, you can use another one of this accounts, and you can referral from that too, and they pay you instantly in your this, and you can earn 20% of referral link, and you can earn much more. And tomorrow I share with you one of the proof and withdraw all of these website I earn, and I referral this account to 20 time, and then I claim all 20 time, and then I withdraw all 20 in a wallet. Okay, that time you can believe me, you can earn much more from this Faucet Crypto. If you work honestly, you can earn $50 or $60 every week, and you can earn from very easy way. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel. This is in my channel. Watch my other videos, and this all withdrawal proof I share with you tomorrow and this time, and you can wait for the all withdrawal proof. This is one of the trick, and none of other people told this trick because they want to earn for their self. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.